Hey, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So, I just wanted to talk about the Great Migration in reverse. So, I know in 2003, when I first moved to the South, um, I read an article in the newspaper, North Carolina newspaper, because I was in North Carolina at the time, and it was like, I know North Carolina was the number 3 state that people were moving to, and I think between Florida and Georgia, they were 1 and 2. I can't remember which order. But, a lot of people say, oh, don't come to Georgia because we don't have no more room. But it's funny because that's not what the developers are saying. They're putting up apartments and new housing all over the city. And, it's like the Great Migration in reverse. Like during the Industrial Revolution, our great grandparents, whomever, moved north for work. And it's like now people are moving back south. A lot to retire, especially if they're going to Florida, because the weather is warmer, better. You get more for your money. More land. Um, you may move into an apartment complex that has a pool and you're paying the same amount that maybe you were paying up north. So your money just goes further. A lot of people who had these good government jobs or they worked for transit or wherever they worked, they're like, you know, able to buy property, dirt cheap. So um, I'm enjoying it. A lot of people get upset about the traffic, but it is what it is. Um, I don't know. I think it's a welcome change. Like I said, it's the Great Migration in the reverse. Whether you like it or not. But I feel like I love it. It's a welcome change. It's a diversity. And things change. And some people don't like change, but things do change. So I just wanted to say that. Love y'all. Mwah.